Do you have a boss who constantly says, I need, and I need it yesterday, and I need it now, and I need it today, and you're just like, okay, calm down. Welcome, friends. My name is Sandeep, and I verify that I am human. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through WordHero. WordHero is an amazing AI copywriting tool that's meant for business owners, marketers, and writers, and is meant to save you tons of time and cut costs. But cut costs in the right way. Let me show you how. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through what it's like navigating through WordHero as if you were logging in for the first time. So if you've come across this video, you've probably heard about AI by now. I'm sure you have. It's July 2023 and you haven't, lift that rock up and poke your head out. Before we get further down the rabbit hole with this walkthrough, I just want to remind you, it's just a walkthrough. If you would like to see specific videos on certain tools, leave some comments in the comments section and I will make videos on those. For everybody else, let's get started. So when you log in for the first time, you are going to be shown this page. All the various tools, copywriting tools that WordHero has to offer. Now, I counted, there are about 86 of them. But when I started WordHero a couple of months ago, probably like 8 months ago from July 2023, so maybe around like November or so, 2022, there were probably like half of these tools. I'm not going to go through all of them. As you can see here, we got like, you can write product descriptions, AIDA copywriting formula. Whoever doesn't know what AIDA is intention, interest, desire, and action. It's a certain copywriting formula that a lot of marketers use. Blog intros, conclusions, outlines, content expanders, explain it to a child. You could even do Facebook ads. We got mini story writing. You can write personal LinkedIn bios, welcome emails. You can change the tone of something that's already written. They even have like new options like keyword generator, Instagram captions, poems. You could even write songs. Honestly, this tool can do anything with words. So like I said, there is a lot here. No excuse for writers now to have writer's block and even non-writers to even get started. Tons of things here. And these are all the tools. They're broken down into categories here: business, marketing, social media, writing tools, miscellaneous. Above that, you got the main navigation, which is home, editor, chat, and history. And on the side here, you have the same thing: home, editor, chat, history. There's also an affiliate and help option here. And then next to that, there's another menu for your profile, preferences, billing, and logging out. Now, let me walk you through some of these areas and tools of the navigation of WordHero so you understand it a little bit better. You could click on any one of these. For example, click on Google Ads, and a window pops up. A window will pop up for any tool that you click on. It will have a different prompt for you to enter. Sorry, it doesn't offer you prompts, but it offers you a space to write your prompt. Usually it's a description and a tone. For other prompts, there might be, things like keywords. So that pretty much sums up all of these individual 86 tools that WordHero has to offer. If you click on editor at the top here, so once you open up WordHero editor, it looks something like this. You got your typical word processor navigation bar at the top here: bold, italics, underline. Won't go through that. And then you got like H1s and H2s. What are these here? So I guess these are the colors of your fonts and highlights. You got bullet points and numbering. You got indentation. You got text alignment, and then you can add in hyperlinks. At the top here, you got the undo, redo button, load previous version. So if you make mistakes, you can go back, just like Google Docs. You can copy. You can generate blog outlines, you can generate blog paragraphs, or you can just click write more. These three tools here are the AI tools in this software. On the left side here, you got the writing tools, and if I click on here, it opens up all 86 tools here. So you could do it from the previous menu, but it's just like copy paste and put it into whatever Word doc you want to, or you could actually work in the editor section here. So you can click, for example, blog intros and give it the same prompts as I showed you before and write it for me, and it will generate something for you. So let's give that a shot. So let's say your blog topic is a dog toothbrush that is green. Green dog toothbrush are my keywords. And yeah, I'm just going to say, give it a very exciting tone. So let's see what it comes up. So now the AI tool has generated two options for you. You can either put them in, you could copy it manually and click paste, or you could hit this arrow and it does the exact same thing. And then you can play around with the menus above. If you want to write more, you can write more here and it will write out more for you. Let's just say you had a title and you needed to create a blog outline. Well, from the title, you can do that with this option up here. So let's try that. Your title is Green Dog Toothbrush. And let's say you want a blog outline for a green dog toothbrush. Well, when I clicked on outline, it gave me the introduction. Like it gave you the headlines, and obviously you're going to take these and then further write them out. Benefits of using a green dog toothbrush, eco-friendly materials used in manufacturing, how to choose the right size and bristle type, and so on. So it really, really helps accelerate your writing process. If we go further down, if you want to add keywords here so that the AI knows what keywords you want to focus on. So now from editor, if you want to just hop over to history at the top menu here, you can see that it logs everything, and it logged everything for me. So all the outputs that I have generated over the last, I guess, 3 months, it keeps. And now on to my favorite feature, because I won't get into the menus over here. Obviously, I've mentioned these: home, editor, chat, history, affiliate, and help. If you need help, hit that, or there's a help button down there. Affiliate is if you want to join to be an affiliate partner. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you an affiliate link that is going to give you a lifetime subscription to WordHero. Lifetime. You know what that means? That you pay once and you don't pay again for life. Whereas other competitor tools like Jasper offer like their services for like $40 a month for like an individual and like $200 a month for corporate or whatever. There's none of that. I'll show you how at the end. So stick with me. So if we go to chat now, this is one of my favorite tools. It's very, very much like ChatGPT. I mean, it does have some limitations. It writes a certain amount, and if you want to write more, you got to generate text. Right now, they have this beta wizard mode, and I think with this, it will ask you questions if it doesn't understand properly, so it gathers more information. Whereas before, it didn't really ask you too many questions. So let's turn that beta wizard mode on and say, hey, I want to write, I would like to write a blog about green dog toothbrushes. And it might ask me a question, it might not. Let's see. So that sounds interesting. I can help you write that. And then it asks me 5 questions. And it says, once I have this information, I can continue to write for you. So it's a chat box, really. And honestly, you could sit here for hours just chatting with it, telling it your life story, or, something productive. So that's one of my favorite options with WordHero. And this is new, by the way. So chat didn't exist up until about 3 months ago, I would say, probably even less. So it's probably just came out like in May or June 2023. Before that, it was just the editor and all the various tools that it had to offer. So WordHero has really grown over the years, over the months actually, and they continue to grow. And with this lifetime subscription that you get, that pay once and have it for life, you continue to get all the upgrades for free. So that's amazing too. Now, I just wanted to show you the plan differences between Jasper and WordHero. So Jasper is a very, very close competitor to WordHero. Jasper is a little bit more advanced just because they started out in the AI game a lot sooner. So they offer $39 a month billed annually, which could equal up to about like $480 or so annually. This is in US dollars also. I'm in Canada, so US dollars really, really add up. So this plan could be closer to $600 a year for me. Then they have teams. So if you have a larger team, like 3 people or so, you could be paying up to $1,200 US a month. A year. So I just wanted to show you that. Now I want to show you what WordHero has to offer. So it looks like they only have one plan available right now, pro monthly for $49 a month. Again, this is US dollars. So it includes unlimited content, which is great, right? But I know what you're thinking, $49 a month, and I was showing you $39 a month for the creator plan at Jasper, and that's a $10 difference. So what are you talking about, Sandeep? So right now, I don't know how long this deal is going to be on for. Again, I got this back in November or so, 2022, and now it's July 2023. So they call it a special lifetime deal right now, and the prices have gone up a little bit, and I don't know if they're going to go up again, but I don't want you to miss this, which is why I'm telling you about it. Lifetime starter plans start at $89, and that's it. One-time payment, no monthly fees. You saw with Jasper, you saw even with WordHero, they offer like $39, $49, whatever. So in like 2-3 months, you're paying a monthly subscription. Why not just pay $89 one time? Or because the difference here is the amount of words that you get, and then you also get to use their long form editor. You get the keyword assistance and future SEO tools, and the new chat. Remember I was showing you the chat? So honestly, those 3 items plus unlimited words, 108 languages, one-time fee, $267, is a no-brainer. It's still cheaper than an entire year's worth of a subscription to a copywriting AI tool, whether that's Jasper or whether that's WordHero. So, in US dollars, that's probably equivalent to, I'd say, $400 Canadian, but that's it. And then you don't have to pay again, and you have this tool, and you have all the updates that come with it. I think it's a no-brainer. I signed up for it. I really love it. And I just wanted to share that with you. Hopefully this walkthrough has been helpful for you. Hopefully you got some value out of it. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like my video, subscribe to my channel. I will share way more details with you as you leave comments in this comment section. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sandeep. Have a great day. Sorry, I forgot to mention, the link for this lifetime deal is in the section below. All right, so check it out. Click the link, sign up. Have a great day.